Hello, welcome to Crochet Curious. This is the final finished product of my dyeing of cotton yarn. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Now I do apologize because my audio did not work on this, but I didn't want to waste the footage. So I'm showing off this beautiful Monet type product, and I did find out that you just can't use a full range of colors, light ones and dark ones, because the light ones will just disappear under the dark ones if you're not separating them sufficiently. So lessons learned, and I think that overall though it turned out so beautiful and worked up into a gorgeous towel. I have more dye, and I have some big hanks of the same yarn, so I am going to do some more projects. But I have thoughts of how to, shake it up a little bit and do some things a little different. So we're going to try a few new things, and I hope you look forward to seeing more about this as I look forward to doing more projects. And isn't it nice? You couldn't hear me cough. Have a beautiful day, and I look forward to talking with you soon.